Now let's set up your shop phrase, which works like a password for accessing the epicSnap mobile web app. Like and subscribe so you never miss what's coming next at Epic Shops to help you sell more online. Your shop phrase is what you'll use to log into the epicSnap mobile web app. Here's how to set it up. From the Settings section, click the Shop Phrase tab. Then, locate the shop phrase password field. Click inside the text box and enter the phrase you want to use. As a quick tip, choose a shop phrase that's easy for your team to remember, but difficult for others to guess. Some stores combine a number, a color, and an animal, while others create a short phrase that is meaningful to their business. Something like 44 blue geese. You could also use something fun like my 3 purple pickles, or a simple phrase such as lunch break at 11. Try to avoid using words that are commonly associated with your industry. For example, if you run a flower shop, avoid using floral terms. And if you sell chocolate, avoid using chocolate-related words. Choosing something unique to your business helps keep your login secure. After entering your phrase, click Save Shop Phrase to apply your changes. And remember to store your shop phrase somewhere safe, since your team will need it to access the epicSnap mobile web app. If you ever need assistance, just click the Get Help button at the top right. Epic is always here to guide you. And if you'd like a demo or need additional support, feel free to email support@epicshops.com. Our team will be happy to help you get the most out of Epic.